Exercise 3.14, Unit 3 Algebra, page number 122. First question, write each of the following expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So first subdivision, alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha. So you have to convert the given form into the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta terms. So solution, given alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha is equal to, now we have to take LCM, so which is implies 3 alpha into alpha is nothing but, already you have 3, so alpha into alpha is nothing but alpha square, plus beta into beta is nothing but beta square, so the denominator is 3 alpha beta. So which is equal to alpha square plus beta square is nothing but, already we see that formula in example problem. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by 3 alpha beta. Since a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So it comes from the formula a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we convert the given term into the term of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Second and third subdivision is your homework, which is in also page number 122. So second subdivision, 1 by alpha square beta plus 1 by beta square alpha. The answer is alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta the whole square. And third subdivision, 3 alpha minus 1 into 3 beta minus 1. So the answer is 9 alpha beta minus 3 into alpha plus beta plus 1. First question, fourth subdivision. This is also in page number 122. Alpha plus 3 by beta plus beta plus 3 by alpha. So here the denominator is different. You have to take LCM or you have to do cross multiplication. So the denominator will be alpha beta. So alpha square plus 3 alpha plus beta square plus 3 beta, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 3 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So which is equal to, again you have to convert alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 3 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. That's all. Problem number 2, page number 122. The roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Without solving for the roots, find first subdivision 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Second subdivision alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Third subdivision alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 by alpha plus 2. So solution, given alpha and beta of the roots of 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 5. So sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 7 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2. Then product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a is equal to 5 by 2. Now this is the roots, sum of roots and product of roots of the given quadratic equation. We have to find the sum of roots of the given two roots 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So this is your homework problem. The answer will be 7 by 5. Second problem, second subdivision, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, which is also in page number 122. Now we have to simplify this, which is equal to, now we have to do cross multiplication. So alpha into alpha is alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. Now you know the value for alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So alpha plus beta value is 7 by 2 and alpha beta value is 5 by 2, which is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square is 7 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value is 5 by 2 divided by alpha beta is 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to 7 square is 49 by 4 minus 5 divided by 5 by 2, which is equal to cross multiplication 9 4 5s are 20, 49 minus 20 is 29 by 4 into 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. So which is equal to 29 divided by 4 2 gets cancelled. So remaining to 5 2s are 10. So the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is 29 by 10. So third subdivision, alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 plus beta by 2 by alpha plus 2. So this is your homework problem which is in page number 122. I just simplify the given equation. You just apply the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta and find the answer. So which is equal to, next step you have to take LCM. So which is nothing but cross multiplication. So alpha plus 2 into alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2 into beta plus 2 divided by beta plus 2 into alpha plus 2. Next, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So which is equal to a square alpha square plus 4 alpha plus 4 plus beta square plus 4 beta plus 4 divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. Next, we are taking 4 common out from these two terms, 4 into alpha plus beta, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 4 plus 4 is 8 divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. So which is equal to, now alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 8 divided by, next you have to multiply this, alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. So we are taking 2 common out, so remaining alpha plus beta. Now you know the value for alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Substitute in this term, you get the answer is 13 by 6. Problem number 3. The roots of the equation x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0 are alpha comma beta. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are, first subdivision alpha square and beta square, second subdivision 2 by alpha and 2 by beta, third subdivision is alpha square beta and beta square alpha. This sum belongs to page number 122. So solution, given alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus 6 by 1 is equal to minus 6. Alpha beta is equal to c by a is equal to minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 4. So now we find the sum and product of roots of the given quadratic equation. Next you have to find the sum and product of roots of the given roots alpha square and beta square, and also you have to find the quadratic equation. So first subdivision, to find the equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. So sum of roots is equal to alpha square plus beta square, which is nothing but alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta value is minus 6 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value is minus 4. So which is equal to minus 6 square is 36, minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to 44. Next, product of roots. Product of roots is equal to alpha square beta square, which is equal to alpha beta the whole square, which is equal to alpha beta value is minus 4 the whole square is equal to 16. Therefore, the required equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So which is implies x square minus sum of roots is 44x plus product of roots is 16 is equal to 0. Third problem, second subdivision. This also belongs to same page number 122. So to find the equation whose roots are 2 by alpha comma 2 by beta. So first you have to find the sum of roots. Sum is equal to 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, which is equal to 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So which is equal to 2 into cross multiplication beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta. So beta plus alpha, alpha plus beta both are same, which is equal to 2 into, now apply the value, alpha plus beta value is minus 6, alpha beta value is minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled, which is equal to 2, 4 gets cancelled. So 2, then 3 times 6. Sum of roots is equal to 3. Then product of root is equal to 2 by alpha into 2 by beta, which is equal to 4 by alpha beta, which is equal to 4 by alpha beta value is minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the required equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. So, x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to